Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best product insights every single day. Today, we're diving into the best bean-to-cup coffee machine, perfect for anyone who loves barista-quality coffee at home. Stay tuned to discover our top picks and expert recommendations. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like for more daily product reviews. Number 1. KitchenAid KF8. If you have the financial wherewithal and are in the market for a sterling, fully automatic bean-to-cup model that's a breeze to use and perfect for making a wide range of espresso-based drinks, step right this way. The stylishly modern KitchenAid KF8 is available in 4 discrete colors and produces a wide range of espresso-based drinks, from ristretto, espresso, and lungo to macchiato, latte, and cappuccino, and all at the touch of a button. It's highly customizable, too, providing the option to select overall strength, amount of coffee in grams, milk type. It accepts plant-based alternatives like oat, almond, or soy, order of milk with coffee, amount of water per extraction, and water temperature. The KitchenAid KF8 comes with a twist and lift bean hopper with capacity for around 200 grams of beans and a very decent burr grinder with a hidden self-tamping mechanism. Number 2. Ninja Luxe Cafe. We understand that £500 isn't exactly a budget option, but when it comes to bean-to-cup coffee machines, it doesn't get much better. Not only is this a brand new launch from Ninja, but it's also the brand's first ever coffee machine, and we're genuinely impressed by the quality for an entry-level model. With its 3-in-1 functionality, it's a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a versatile coffee machine that covers all bases. It also comes packed with innovative features and thoughtful design elements, including barista assist technology and an integrated hands-free milk frother. Whilst the initial setup can be a bit fiddly and it requires a portafilter funnel during grinding, these minor inconveniences are more than outweighed by the machine's overall performance and value. Given its price point, it's hard to find a better option. Number 3. Breville Barista Max Plus. The Breville Barista Max Plus leaves a generally positive impression. Although it only slightly under the £500 mark, it's not a cheap and cheerful machine. That aside, the coffee-making capabilities of the Barista Max Plus are pretty decent, and you don't need a barista's degree in order to master the controls. The so-called intelligent grind and dosage process does offer a helping hand, as does the LED screen and subsequent readouts. The sizable machine lets you make brews from scratch, and it does this with ease, too. We love the ability to vary coffee grinding intensity, the 1 or 2 cup push-button options, and the excellent steam wand cum milk frother. If you get good use from it, the price doesn't seem too bad either, although there's rather more plastic in evidence than the plethora of stainless steel we were expecting. Number 4. SMEG BCC12. The newest edition of the SMEG BCC02, the SMEG BCC12, keeps the same ease and size of its predecessors, but has a more refined design and controls. A semi-automatic machine, the SMEG BCC12 has 5 buttons, 1 that turns the machine on and off, and 4 that flicks through coffee and milk options. Rather than bold and bright, the SMEG BCC12 has a more neutral color palette, but still has that signature SMEG design. It's sleek and compact, and cleverly hides the water tank and grinder inside it. It makes delicious coffee, and it's the easiest bean-to-cup machine to use. The SMEG BCC12 does falter in terms of its milk wand, but the key facet with this machine is that it really is a dawdle to use. In fact, it's almost as simple as any of the machines featured in our Best Pod Coffee Machine Guide. Number 5. DeLonghi Aletta Explore. The DeLonghi Revelia held its spot in this guide for quite some time before its successor took over. The DeLonghi Aletta Explore is a standout choice for coffee enthusiasts, particularly those who value versatility and exceptional brews. Capable of making an impressive range of both hot and cold beverages, it also boasts convenient, on-the-go features that make it perfect for busy individuals or commuters. Whilst it does come with a higher price tag, Violetta Explore undeniably ranks as one of the best offerings we've seen from DeLonghi to date.